Are you thinking of adding a furry friend to your family? Choosing the right dog for your home can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we're here to help. Step 1. Consider your lifestyle. Do you live in a busy city or a quiet suburb? Do you have a yard or live in an apartment? How much time do you have to dedicate to your dog's exercise and training? Step 2. Research breeds. Next, research different breeds. Look into their energy levels, grooming needs, and temperaments. Talk to breeders, rescue organizations, and veterinarians to get a better understanding of each breed. Step 3. Meet the dog. Once you've narrowed down your search, meet the dog. Observe how they interact with you and your family. Step 4. Consider your family. Finally, consider your family. If you have young children, you'll want a breed that's gentle and patient. If you have other pets, you'll want a breed that gets along well with them. Choosing the right dog for your home takes time and research. But with these steps, you'll find the perfect furry friend for your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pet content.